Yeah, how wonderful this is. Yeah. Yeah, I don't feel no pain. And I feel like I could fly off. That's how I feel. It's this real easy, lightweight, fun.
You've gone to physical therapy for your hip. Did it help like this?
No, not at all. I quit going.
Would you like to have this in your home?
Yes, I would.
What would you pay for it?
Whatever. Whatever it costs. Yes.
What if I told you it was only $4,200? What would you feel?
Oh, I feel wonderful.
You'd buy this, put it in your home?
Yes.
Wow. Why?
Because I can see the positive results for myself. And I need to lose weight, I need to get in shape. And it's good for my physical body.
What about the gym and physical therapy? Isn't that helping you get in shape?
Not like this. This is lightweight. That's what I'm saying. I don't, well, I get on the regular treadmill, but it isn't. It's fun.
It's fun?
Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah. Thanks.
Nothing's hurting. I feel wonderful. I feel like I just had a wonderful. Look at me sweating everything.
Did you think it would feel this good?
Nope.
Did you think you'd get so much of a workout?
Nope. That's wonderful. I ain't never seen nothing like it. And I've been to, different gyms and physical therapy and all of that.
Do you have room in this in your house?
Actually, I don't.
Garage?
But I'm going to be moving to a bigger place.
Oh,
I'm in
okay.
the process of looking for a bigger place right now. And this would be perfect for me to have. Perfect.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, you're welcome to come in here and use it until then.
Yeah. This is like a life saver changer for me.
Why?
Because of the physical challenges that I had, and it makes it hard and difficult. I walk, but not like I used to. But with this way I could put my headphones on, my music, and I'd be going at it.
Wow. And how old are you now?
59.
59.
Uh-huh.
You're still looking really tough, too.
And that's what I'm saying, but I need to lose the excess weight.
Right.
And then I could really be.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And with this, I could see that happening. Like, really.
Better than anything else you know?
Been better than anything else I've ever tried in my life, period.
Ellipticals?
This is it for me. I love it.
I love it.
I love it.
Wow. Thanks for
And
trying.
I mean that.
Wow.
Yeah. This is wonderful.